Hi guys, so come along and do morning chores when it is snowing out.
It's freezing.
I'll show you guys what it looks like. You guys probably can't tell it's snowing, but if you look at the ground, it's snowing. Okay, so we're gonna get everything ready. It takes a little bit longer when it's cold out because the animals need a little more stuff. So first we need to get ready. And I'm trying to record a different way, so I'm sorry if this doesn't look very good, because I don't know how it's gonna look, so we're just gonna see. Dump that in. We're gonna get them. These bags are so loud. We're gonna get them a couple of horse treats. Okay. Show the feeder. Now we're gonna see. Baby girl has some food. We're gonna give her some more grain because it's very cold out. And grain is what keeps her warm. I'm gonna have him keep a hold of the camera. You guys can see him for a little bit. You guys haven't seen him in a while.
It might look a little weird. And guys, I might make a video of doing tricks today. Maybe. I'm too lazy.
Here you go, baby. Here you go, sweet girl. She's full of water. She's good on water. Oof. It's kind of hard getting over. There we go. Okay, we gotta jump. Oh. Okay. Just set that in there.
This one for one?
Yep. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get Rocky in the barn.
It's gonna be a little crazy, but don't die. It's freezing out. If you can't tell, look. Okay, so he's throwing his hay. Then we're gonna do Becca's part. It's freezing out here, guys. And guys, check out Code of the Tricker. And if anyone wants to be my friend, please be my friend. Okay.
No, dude.
Oh no.
It's okay. We're good. I just gotta get him in.
His booty's facing at us.
I don't know what he's doing. Rocky in the barn.
No, he's old.
In the barn.
How old is he? 19?
No, like 30.
Oh,
In there.
30 years
Come on,
old.
boy. Right here. Rocky.
He thinks there's something in there.
Okay, now go. Go, come on.
Rocky, treat.
Oh.
Does that only work on a dog?
Yes, it does.
Hey guys, don't wonder why I'm standing so high. I'm on a poop mound.
He don't want to go in the barn, so I'm just gonna put his food right there, and he'll get it.
Okay, I think we're done. I think we're done, guys. Please say we're done.
No.
Oh no.
Pull that out.
Oh, it feels so good. Huh? Oh my gosh, 2 cats. They're running.
Okay, guys. I gotta grab this scoop, and then we're gonna get out of here. Whew. Snow is just working against me. Yeah, it didn't work. Okay. Let's go. If you don't want to, you don't have to. I forgot that bucket. I gotta get the bucket. Farm life is so fun. Yo, let me know how your farm life is if you live on a farm. I want to know how it goes. I mean, I watch Evelyn, and looks a little smoother than mine. Our farm life never goes smoothly. There's always something wrong. Always. thank you guys for, I have 35 subscribers, and I'm so thankful for all of you. So thank you. And I don't think this heater's working. The heater is not working. The ice is completely frozen. Gosh. Oh, my boot. Stuck. We're all done. And yes, I do climb through my hat where it fits. I like it. It's so much easier than walking completely around. So let's get back and go feed the cows. Because I am freezing my butt off. It is so cold. When I do this, I just say, hashtag grandma. Just for fun. Just for fun. Just to make it seem a little better. Okay. Cows time. And I'm giving our cows extra food because they are pregnant. They got some babies inside of them, so they gotta be cooking them babies. So we gotta feed them extra so they can grow them. This is the hard part. Okay, let's go. Let's try to feed them. Okay, so that was good. Oh, they're so cold. I like to love on them, but not when they're that cold. That's super cold. Oh, sorry guys. You know, like, I would love any support on YouTube. I've been trying to record my hardest in the best way that I can. So any support is helpful. Because I love it. It's so kind when you guys are so supportful. I love it when you guys are so kind and supportful and help me grow on YouTube. It's so much nicer. So if you guys could have any support, help me get more subscribers, I'd love it. Our pool has a thin layer of ice on it. This is ice. Ice. I'll spell my name. Here we go. You guys want to see what it looks like? Okay, we're going to go inside. And I'm going to edit this video. And I will be posting it. So, you guys let me know how it is, because I'm trying to record a different way. I'm recording long ways instead of always upright. So, but I'm going to eat breakfast and get, get a nice warm cup of coffee maybe. But I'll see you guys later. Love you guys. God bless you. I hope you have a great week.